Hi, this is Brian Baker with History Dog Productions, sponsored by Arrow Ranger Studios, with a public service announcement from the River Valley 2021 series. We are proud to have Fontaine Rossi here at the Fort Smith National Cemetery. She is the 2020 Patriot Pen winner for the entire state of Arkansas. She's going to demonstrate how to use the kiosk in locating a veteran buried here at the cemetery.
There are 171 national cemeteries in the United States National Cemetery System. The first of these were established by an act of Congress during the American Civil War on July 17, 1862. 14 of these are maintained by the National Park Service associated with battlefields. Arlington National Cemetery and the Soldiers and Airmen's Home National Cemetery are both maintained by the U.S. Army. The remaining 155 national cemeteries are maintained by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs. The American Battle Monuments Commission is an independent organization that maintains 26 American military cemeteries, along with 32 federal memorial monuments located in 17 countries outside the United States. There are nearly 20,000 interred here at the Fort Smith National Cemetery and over 1,400 unmarked graves. Here's an example of two different graves, one with a pointed top and one with a rounded top, and the difference is the one with pointed top is a Civil War veteran. I want to show a tragic example of a child being buried with a parent. Charles and Jill Druschall and their daughter Renata was buried with the mother. They all died in a tragic car accident, and I knew Renata personally because I went to elementary school with her. This is the Vietnam War Memorial, and it represents everyone that died during the Vietnam War and is interred here. In addition, there are other veterans that are interred here that died well after the war. Master Sergeant Norm Breath is an example of one of these. Norm Breath, he was the captain of the Arkansas Patriot Guard. He died way after the Vietnam War due to complications of Agent Orange. His son Wesley is buried with him. A kiosk is located at the National Cemeteries, also known as the Nationwide Gravesite Locator. These NGLs are maintained by the Veterans Administration and can locate any veteran buried at a national cemetery nationwide, providing that they are not an unknown grave. Let's go take a look. The kiosk at Fort Smith National Cemetery is located in the Administration Building. Here we are at the NGL, and we're going to find Earl Duty. First, you want to press Grave Locator, then type in the last name, which in our case is Duty, then press Search, and then the first names pop up, and Earl popped up, and then all of his information is right here. Then you want to press Print Map. And here it is. First, we need to orientate the map, and the easiest way is to find the flagpole. Here it is on the map. We can find Earl Duty at Section 19, site or grave number 215. Let's go find him. Here's an example of a section marker, Section 14, to make it easier to find your loved ones.
But under Earl's leadership and guidance, this post has flourished over the last time that he's been here. This is from the Veterans of Foreign Wars, Department of Arkansas, for the year 2017 to 2018, Post Commander of the Year for the whole state, Commander Earl Duty, Post 1322 Van Buren. He's the post commander, the best post commander for the whole state of Arkansas. And this is I'm not
not real good at speeches, but just come to one of our meetings, I get real long-winded. But no, anyway, like I said, it's you know, this was given to me, but I'm telling you right now, I can't do it by myself. Our post is like was said previously. It's everybody works very hard. They, they come out to events. Our auxiliary works real hard, and it's all about community. It's about service back to our veterans, take care of our veterans. I'm just proud to be the post commander of this post. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Post Commander Earl Duty is also the commander of Arkansas VFW District 7, which is the River Valley area of Arkansas, made up of Washita Mountain VFW Post 1345 of Waldron, Brewer Rollins VFW Post 8383 of New Blaine, the John Ryan VFW Post 3431 of Paris, the Scott Sebastian VFW Post 8245 of Huntington, the Harris Hanna VFW Post 6527 of Greenwood, VFW Post 8532 of Coal Hill, the Jim Taylor VFW Post 8845 of Fort Smith, the W.V. Hammond VFW Post 8855 of Mountainburg, and what used to be the Calvin Betterton VFW Post 6465 of Alma, and of course the flagship Robert Jack VFW Post 1322 right here in Van Buren.
I was a guest speaker at the VFW Post 1322 on Robert Jack Day when All-American VFW Post Commander Earl Duty was awarded the Commander of the Year for the entire state of Arkansas. That was a tremendous accomplishment, something that Mr. Duty should definitely be proud of, and we in the city of Van Buren, of course, we are very proud of that as well.
Here's section 19, and Earl Duty's buried in this section. He's buried in site 215, which is grave number 215. Let's go find Earl Duty. Here's section 19 in site 215, which is grave number 215. Earl Duty was an All-American VFW post commander. Earl Duty was the commander of District 7, which covers the entire River Valley. At the cemetery, you can also find flat stones, which is located the same way as we've already shown you. Here's section 24, and on the flat stone, you can see section 24, Site 53. Fort Smith National Cemetery is adding on several acres, including the mausoleums.
This has been a public service announcement from the River Valley 2021 series from History Dog Productions, sponsored by Arrow Ranger Studios. Thank you for watching.